Hi fam, welcome to my channel. My name's Tommy, where I talk about all things Web3 related. In this video, we're going to be going over the several different ways you can do to potentially get in on the future Zksync token airdrop. This could be worth a lot of money in the future, so please leave a like on the video if you like this kind of content, and I will make more because there's lots of different airdrops coming up in the future. So Zksync is a scaling solution built on the Ethereum blockchain. It's a layer 2, and the first thing you will want to do to get in is come into the Zksync mainnet and activate your account. What I will do is I'll leave all the links in the description to absolutely everything I go over, so you want to go and complete every single step that I go through and show you. Pause the video, go back to it, basically just do them all to give you the best chance, because this token airdrop could be worth several thousands of dollars, like the Aptos, Optimism, all of them. But the first thing you're going to want to do is transfer a little bit of Ethereum into the Zksync mainnet, and that will just be by transferring in, transfer to Zksync, and then you connect your wallet and then add some Ethereum. So I transferred in 15 DAI, and then I swapped it to Ethereum, and I activated my account, which did cost a little bit, 0.00254 Ethereum. So it literally does cost a tiny little bit to do it. But once you've done it, you've activated your account, and that's it, you're in. And then I started making a few more swaps. This was a year ago when I did it. The sooner you do it, the better. And then the second thing I did that I want to show you is I minted an NFT 5 months ago, which was a gaming NFT, which is for free. You do have to pay the gas, but it's all layer 2 gas, so it's not as expensive as layer 1 gas. And then I've also been making some swaps, and it wasn't yesterday when I transferred this amount of Ethereum into the Arbitrum Nova, which is also a layer 2, that I thought, oh no, I need to make a video and show everyone this, because this is something that everyone really needs to do. This is free crypto and potentially in the future. So once you've activated your account, then you can go into the Tether Quest game and you can create an account, link it. It's all on the ZK mainnet as well, and then you click on Citizen ID and you'll mint this Citizen ID NFT onto your Zksync wallet. You can connect Discord, blah blah blah, all that kind of stuff. This is like a arcade side-scrolling game, which is going to be like a metaverse as well. You can come in, start playing the game. I'm at level 9 and I've got this many points. I haven't really played it that much, and then you can earn karma point, which you convert into the Tether token when the Tether token is finally out, which will be in the future as well. But the main thing is to be doing this, to be going and minting the NFT, which will be registered. That smart contract now is minted onto your wallet address. So again, this is something that the airdrop farmers, all the bots, they're not going to come and do this. So if Zksync main people said, right, we're going to filter out all these people because they're just farming our airdrop, this is something you want to do. Definitely minting an NFT is something that will put you in a good position to potentially get the airdrop. So that's the first thing you really need to do. It's really important, is to activate your account, mint an NFT, and make a few swaps. Use the bridge. So the second thing you want to do is create a testnet account on the Zksync. Again, all the links will be in the description. Go and add it to your MetaMask. So here it is. I've added it to my MetaMask. It's the Zksync Alpha Testnet Gorilla. And then you will want to go into the Zksync 2.8. Here we go. Gorilla Testnet thing. Again, the links are all in the description. And then you will want to go onto the faucet and then request claim the funds from the faucet. And then once you get the funds, it will show up in here. These are all on the testnet. You'll end up with like some of these. Then you can just mess around with certain dApps, and I've been into this Zk Asino, not casino, they've missed the C out for some reason. And then you can go and mint 1K's worth of USD, and then you can play the games, like gamble it all away and keep doing it. So you're interacting with their dApp. Dead easy to do, doesn't cost anything. All you just need to do is click a few buttons and you're in. Activating this testnet is probably going to be another step that they will look for when they're handing out their airdrop in the future. So definitely go and do that as well, and then like the video and leave a comment on what airdrops and stuff you're excited for, so I can go over those for you in future videos. So also, while you're still on the testnet, go into Mint Square, which is an NFT marketplace on the Zksync testnet, and then go and buy a few NFTs. Here's my account. I've bought the Drippy Dinos and the ZK Halloween special. I also minted 2 of my punks and listed one for sale. The more interactions you do on the testnet, the more potential points you can score to get the potential future airdrop. I would go in and buy a few more. These ones are the cheapest. You go into the Mint Square storefront and the cheapest ones are 0.01, which is just a picture of a white line. Oh, there's some me bits, Flicky the Frog. Yeah, so come in, get these, just buy a couple like the Chromie Squiggle and the me bit for like that much. It's all testnet tokens. Go and get them. They're into your wallet. You're interacting with the smart contracts on the testnet. All my links are in the description to this, everything. So go and do it, please. I want you to get this token. Really believe in it. 100% is going to be a very worthwhile one to have. The third step, which is also really important to do, not to skip, is into crew3.xyz. And this is a community building tool for Web3s. And Web3 projects will come into it like Zksync, and then they'll give you a load of tasks to do and you complete them. So let's run through what the tasks were, or quests. Join the Discord, follow Twitter, get your roles, welcome to the baby alpha, and then they give you a few questions on their roadmap, which are pretty simple, but it basically gets you to glance over their roadmap to get an insight into the project. Basically, this Crew 3 is really good because it's linked to your MetaMask Ethereum wallet, it's linked to your Twitter and Discord, and it's really good for like looking at all the different like Web3 upcoming projects. So Sue's good, Zksync, there's like some really good projects, Aptos. It's really worth checking out and helps you to get potential airdrops. Do not miss this. These are the ones I'm involved in: Bravos Wallet, Blue Move NFTs. Anyway, there's quite a few to go and check out, but the Zksync one, definitely go and do that to help you potentially get the ZK token in the future. So that's it, everyone. Please go and complete every single step I showed you to give you the best possible chance to get the ZK token. If you like the video, please leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe. It really will mean the world to me on my brand new channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll leave another video for you to go and check out if you're still here watching me rambling on to the end. See you on the next one. Bye.